The path to awakening entails an authentic spiritual practice that becomes foundational to one's daily life and helps one to achieve ethical conduct, discipline, and wisdom that ultimately shapes how you conduct yourself in every moment that you live. These daily practices ultimately sets the trajectory of our own lives. We awaken to the reality of God in our daily lives through every loving thought, word, and action. And when we awaken, we find that in this one power is our true unity, because with all, we came from that singular source and are at all times within it, and are in reality never parted from it.